Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this special segment on how to maximize your good deeds in the last week of Ramadan Kareem. Reciting specific surahs can bring immense rewards. Focus on Surah Al-Mulk to protect yourself from the punishment of the grave. Recite Surah Al-Waqiah to gain wealth and prosperity. Surah Al-Rahman brings mercy and forgiveness, while Surah Al-Mazamio brings spiritual growth and guidance. Reciting specific ayahs also brings immense rewards. Focus on Ayat Al-Kursi for protection and blessings. The last two ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah bring forgiveness and mercy. The last ayah of Surah Al-Hashr brings blessings and prosperity. Perform extra prayers like Taraweeh to gain rewards and blessings. Perform tahajjud for spiritual growth and guidance. Duha prayers bring blessings and prosperity. Giving charity brings immense rewards. Give to the poor and needy, charitable organizations, and give with sincerity. Make dua with sincerity, humility, and recognition of Allah's greatness. Make dua for yourself, your family, and your community. As we approach the end of Ramadan, let's make a conscious effort to maximize our good deeds. Every action counts, and every deed is rewarded. Let's make the most of this blessed month and strive to become better Muslims. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May Allah accept our deeds and grant us forgiveness. Ramadan Mubarak.